Hi, this is Ashley of Shut Publishing, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use this template that I've created for social media posts for your book launch. Now, you want to make sure you're very organized when you are completing your book launch, and social media is a great way to get the word out there about your book. So on this template, I've included some of the 4 major social media platforms. Of course, you can adjust this by adding another column for a different platform of choice. And then I've included templates of what a potential post could look like. You'll also find that you have in brackets something for you to fill in. And so there you would insert the link to your book, your book bundle, whatever the case may be. This whole first row is an example of the actual posts that I put out on these platforms. And then you down below would be able to add in your information here. As well, I did add a few tips about what to do with some of the platforms and linked some scheduling tools that might be helpful for you. If you would like to use this template or get more information about how to have a successful book launch, check out my book launch success kit. That's linked in the description of this video.